If you need to cut one object using another object in Blender, the Boolean modifier is one of the easiest ways to do it. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to make a clean cut, how to preview it properly, and when to apply it so you don't lose flexibility. If this helps, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more Blender tutorials just like this. First, position your cutter object so that it overlaps the target object. The cutter is the shape that will remove material, and the target is the object you want to keep. Make sure the objects are intersecting in the area where you want the cut to happen, because the Boolean modifier needs that overlap to work correctly. Next, select the target object. This is very important because the Boolean modifier is added to the object that will be changed, not the one doing the cutting. Once the target is selected, go over to the Modifier Properties tab, which is the blue wrench icon on the right side of Blender. Now click Add Modifier, then choose Boolean from the Generate section. This opens the settings for your cut. At this point, set the Operand type to Object. That tells Blender you want to use another object as the cutter. Then choose the algorithm. For cleaner and more accurate cuts, use Exact. If you're working with simple shapes and want faster performance, you can use Fast instead. After that, click the Eyedropper tool and select your cutter object directly in the viewport. This links the cutter to the Boolean modifier. Once it's connected, change the mode to Difference. Difference is the setting that subtracts the cutter's volume from the target object, which creates the cut or hole you're looking for. If the result looks strange or you want to inspect it more clearly, hide the cutter object. You can do this by clicking the eye icon in the outliner. That way you can see the final hole or cut shape without the cutter blocking your view. If everything looks good and you want to make the cut permanent, you can apply the modifier. Hover over the Boolean modifier and press Ctrl and A. Just remember, applying the modifier locks in the result. If you keep it unapplied, you can still move the cutter object around later and the hole will update in real time, which is great for making adjustments. And that's it. That's how to cut an object with another object in Blender using Boolean difference. It's a simple but powerful workflow for hard surface modeling, modeling clean openings, and shaping custom geometry fast. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Blender tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.